Are you having trouble with FaceTime on your iPhone? Maybe the calls aren't going through as they should. No worries, sometimes a simple reset can fix issues related to settings, connectivity, or activation. In this guide, we'll explore some super effective solutions to reset FaceTime on your iPhone so it runs like a charm. Solution 1. Turn FaceTime off and back on. Resetting FaceTime by switching it off and on again can clear up lots of temporary glitches. Here's how you do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit until you find FaceTime. Tap on FaceTime to open it. Now toggle the FaceTime option off. After that, wait for about 10 seconds. Next, toggle FaceTime back on and give it a moment to complete the activation. Solution 2. Sign out and sign back in with your Apple ID. If toggling didn't work, logging out and back into your Apple ID might just do the trick. Open Settings again. Then scroll down and tap on FaceTime. Now tap on your Apple ID located at the top. After that, select Sign Out. Once you've logged out, tap on Use your Apple ID for FaceTime and sign back in. Finally, wait for the reactivation process to finish and test FaceTime. Solution 3. Reset all settings. If the problem is rooted in network or system settings, resetting them could be the solution. Open Settings once more, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Now select Reset all settings and confirm your choice. After your phone restarts, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and check if FaceTime is working again. By following these steps, you should be able to reset FaceTime and tackle any issues you're encountering. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more handy troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video.